Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you don't actually have a current mentor for your pressure washing business. Why is it important to have a mentor for your pressure washing business? Let me tell you a little story. So back in 2022, I was getting out of the Army. I'd been in the Army for about 11 years, and I knew that I wanted to do something outside. I definitely didn't want a desk job. The last couple of years of my military career, I had ranked up and ended up at a desk, and it was not fun. So I knew I wanted to get back outside, doing stuff outside. So I searched around. I searched all over the internet. I got on all sorts of forums. I got on YouTube. I went all over the place looking for answers. And I decided I'm going to start a pressure washing company, and took a few courses online, which courses online, they're great. They're great information. You can learn a lot about like the tools and some different applications and things of that nature. But the thing that I haven't found in any of the courses I've taken, maybe you have one that you have taken, and in that case, leave it down below. If you found a course that actually like answers a lot of the business questions, the back end stuff, some of the troubleshooting on the job type stuff, like those are the things that I was really concerned about. I talked to some people in our local area, and I ended up getting myself a mentor. And so I followed that mentor around for 6 months. I actually ended up starting my business and working underneath him as a subcontractor while I was learning. And that was absolutely life-changing. Having that mentor to be able to ask questions to get feedback from, to correct me when I'm doing stuff wrong. He was absolutely essential. And to be honest, I can't even imagine starting a pressure washing company on my own without some sort of a mentor. So that's why I'm creating this video today, and most likely why you clicked on the video. You probably don't have one if you clicked on this video. So all those reasons that I just gave are good reasons to have a mentor. And for me, it changed everything, because I wasn't sure how I was going to get my first clients. I wasn't sure how to set up the business. I wasn't sure like what services I should be providing. And he was able to help me out with a lot of things. Now, one caveat here is that he had his own focus, and I had to create my own focus. Cookie cutter, drag and drop business models are a good starting point, but you just understand that you will have things that you like and things that you dislike. And over time, you will kind of hone that into who are you, what is your business, what do you provide, and what don't you provide. It's very important to understand what you do not provide. And that process took me another probably year to kind of filter through all those different things and really niche down to what it was, my core offer, so to speak, like what it was that I was actually offering my clients and the things that I absolutely would not offer my clients. So why am I talking about all this stuff? Well, mentorship is very important, and sometimes it's extremely hard to find a mentor or an advisor or just somebody to bounce questions off that understands what it is that you're trying to get after. And so that's why I'm making this video, is I can be that for you. I've done this for a number of other people, and it's all kind of just been on the side, helping people out as I'm learning. I share that information. This channel originally was started to do that. It kind of turned into just showing jobs as they're being done. But there's some changes going on in my own business, and so I've got a little bit more time now to be able to invest into people like you. So what I'd like to offer you is a consultation call if you have questions that you're wanting answered and you feel like all these forums online are just confusing you because everybody's got different answers, and you just want to sit down, go through your list of questions, get some answers, get some suggestions, get some maybe strategizing a plan to go forward. That's what I'm here for. And so the easiest way to do that is there's a link down in the description. It's pinned to the top there. You can click on that. It's a 30-minute call. We can go through some of your questions. If you have more questions or you want to do this on a regular basis during that first call, just bring that up and we'll get that going for you. A second option for you is I do have a school community that is really just getting started, and it's free for the rest of this month, and it's going to be starting the first of next month. It's going to be a paid access for membership. But in there, that's a great place to contact me. We're going to start doing weekly videos there where you can get some question answers done. So there's a couple options for you. My overall goal with this is to just be helpful to people who are trying to get into the industry. It's a fairly simple and straightforward industry on the surface, but when you start providing services to people and really get down into it, just like anything else, there's things that you don't think about when you're first starting out. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please like, comment, share with anybody else that you know that might benefit from this. Book a call with me down below or join the school community, and I look forward to helping you out. See you soon.